Why people get addicted, whether it's to substances like tobacco, alcohol, smoking or behaviors like gambling or gaming, is a complex interplay of biological, psychological, and social factors. Here's a breakdown. Biological factors. Genetics. There's evidence suggesting a genetic predisposition to addiction. Some individuals may be more genetically prone to addictive behaviors. Brain chemistry. Addictive substances like nicotine, alcohol, or drugs can alter the brain's chemistry, affecting areas responsible for pleasure, motivation, and decision-making. This can create a cycle of dependence. Neurotransmitters. Substances like nicotine and alcohol can hijack the brain's natural reward system by increasing the levels of neurotransmitters like dopamine, which are associated with pleasure and reward. Psychological factors. Stress and trauma. People may turn to addictive substances or behaviors as a way to cope with stress, trauma, or underlying mental health issues like anxiety or depression. Cravings and compulsion. Over time, repeated exposure to addictive substances or behaviors can lead to intense cravings and a compulsion to engage in them, despite negative consequences. Psychological dependence. Beyond the physical dependence caused by changes in brain chemistry, individuals can develop a psychological dependence on the substance or behavior as a way to cope with emotions or situations. Social and environmental factors. Peer pressure. Social influences, such as pressure from peers or cultural norms, can play a significant role in the initiation and maintenance of addictive behaviors. Family history and environment. Growing up in an environment where substance use is normalized or where there's a family history of addiction can increase the risk of developing addictive behaviors. Availability and accessibility. Easy access to addictive substances or behaviors can also contribute to the likelihood of addiction. Learning and conditioning. Associative learning. People can become addicted through associative learning, where the brain forms strong associations between the substance or behavior and pleasurable experiences, leading to a desire for more. Operant conditioning. The rewarding effects of addictive substances or behaviors can reinforce the behavior, making it more likely to be repeated. Quitting addictive habits like smoking, drinking, and tobacco use can be challenging, but it's entirely possible with dedication, support, and the right strategies. Here are some steps you can take to quit these habits. 1. Set a quit date. Choose a specific date to quit smoking, drinking, or using tobacco, and mark it on your calendar. Having a clear target date can help you mentally prepare for the change and commit to your decision. 2. Identify triggers. Pay attention to the situations, emotions, or activities that trigger your cravings for smoking, drinking, or using tobacco. Common triggers include stress, social situations, and certain times of the day. Once you identify your triggers, develop strategies to cope with them effectively. 3. Seek support. Don't hesitate to reach out to friends, family, or support groups for encouragement and guidance. Joining a support group or seeking counseling can provide you with additional resources and accountability on your journey to quitting. 4. Replace negative habits. Find healthier alternatives to replace your addictive habits. For example, if you typically smoke after meals, try going for a walk or chewing sugar-free gum instead. If you drink alcohol to relax, explore relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. 5. Make lifestyle changes. Adopting a healthier lifestyle can support your efforts to quit addictive habits. Focus on eating a balanced diet, getting regular exercise, prioritizing sleep, and managing stress effectively. These lifestyle changes can improve your overall well-being and reduce the urge to engage in addictive behaviors. 6. Use nicotine replacement therapy, NRT. If you are trying to quit smoking, consider using nicotine replacement therapy, such as nicotine patches, gum, lozenges, or inhalers. NRT can help reduce withdrawal symptoms and cravings as you gradually decrease your nicotine dependence. 7. Stay persistent. Quitting addictive habits is a process that may involve setbacks along the way. If you experience a slip-up, don't be too hard on yourself. Instead, learn from the experience and recommit to your goal of quitting. Stay persistent and remind yourself of the reasons why you want to quit in the first place. 8. Focus on whole foods. Base your diet around whole, minimally processed foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. These foods are nutrient-dense and provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber to support overall health and well-being. 9. Prioritize fiber-rich foods. Choose foods high in fiber, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Fiber helps promote satiety, regulate blood sugar levels, and support digestive health, making it an essential component of a healthy diet. 10. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support overall health. Sometimes, feelings of hunger can actually be a sign of dehydration, so aim to drink water regularly and choose water-rich foods like fruits and vegetables. Remember, quitting addictive habits is a journey that requires patience, determination, and self-compassion. Celebrate your progress along the way and celebrate each milestone you achieve on your path to a healthier, addiction-free life. If you're struggling to quit on your own, don't hesitate to seek professional help from a healthcare provider or addiction specialist.